Hey guys, this is your friend Iggy back again. Today I'm doing a typing test on the iBUYPOWER MEK2 RGB Pro mechanical keyboard. Doing a typing test just so you can hear how loud or how quiet this keyboard is. This is using Kailh blue switches and it feels great. I've typed on a few blues and I feel like this one provides a little less fatigue when you type. But mind you, it has been a while, so maybe I just don't remember top of my head, but it does feel great. Out of the last keyboard I reviewed and the previous keyboard I reviewed, this one does feel the best. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start typing now on 10fastfingers.com. And just remember, always assume the ASDF JKL SEM position just to type right. And here we go in right now. So there, I'm falling apart now. Alright, 67 words per minute. Not the best, not the worst. Seems like I need more training again, but 67 words per minute, not too bad at all. I did make 22 mistakes. I did correct them. 4 wrong words, as you can see here, 64 right words. But of course, that's going to slow down my typing. But anyway, you can see just how loud she is. And you know what? It's not that bad for typing. It feels pretty good. But anyway, Iggy again, showing you how loud or really how quiet the iBUYPOWER MEK2 RGB mechanical keyboard is. Iggy out. See you guys.
Disclaimer, this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.